I just found out a fun way to make money online on Fiverr, which is really simple, easy. Many of the people are doing this stuff and making money. Okay, I'm not gonna say that you are gonna be super rich with this method, but you can really make money with this. Okay, so now let's get started into our awesome video. But before we jump into that, there is one of the course which is provided in the description, the first link. Okay, so you can just click on it and check out the course. It is a really valuable course which teaches you, okay, how you can make money online in a right manner. So if you are interested in that, you can definitely check it out. So now let's jump into our awesome juicy content. Okay, so I just went to Fiverr and I randomly searched for this stuff. Okay, so you can see over here that I just people are typing Einstein writing on board. Okay, so this Einstein will write anything on the board, whichever you tell you order a gig, and the Einstein will write whatever you want the Einstein to write on this board. Okay, that is really a fun gig and people are making money out of it. You can see 5 people ordered, 3 people ordered this, you can see 9 people ordered this. So these people are making $5 just by doing and using a particularly good website from where you can create this text over here. Okay, and it is really funny and it is really interesting. Okay, so let me take you to that particular website from where you can do this stuff and earn money for yourself. Okay, so the website is known as hattymeal.com. okay, HETEMEEL.com. okay, now in this you can just type in, okay, so let's just type something interesting over here, that is SUBS, okay, sorry, CRIBE, subscribe to Money Maker 001. okay, so all you need to do is type it over here, then just click on the change image and you can see it's written subscribe to Moneymaker 001. Then you just need to take the screenshot of this image. Okay, you just can take the screenshot utilizing snipping tool if you are utilizing Windows. Okay, or if you do this on your smartphone, then you can definitely do this. So this is the tool which you need to utilize to take the screenshot if you are on a computer. Okay, then you can just take the screenshot of this and download, it's there in your computer. Then you can just give it to your client. Okay, he will just tell you just write this stuff and you can write this stuff over here and you can just send that to your client and earn money out of it. This is one of the best cool way to make money online. Not many people are gonna show you this, or but not many people are even doing this, but you can make some money. Okay, and you can just start providing this service. Absolutely no skill is needed. Anyone, absolutely anyone can do this. And if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button, which will be downward. Okay, so if you press those buttons, then you will get 500 years of good luck. Okay, so definitely do that stuff. Okay, we'll see you in the next awesome video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching our awesome channel on this video.